Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect OneTrust to your cookie banner UI on WordPress, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left-hand menu. Click on Add New to search for the OneTrust plugin. Type OneTrust in the search bar and hit Enter. Once the plugin appears, click the Install Now button. After installation, click on Activate to enable the plugin. Next, go to the OneTrust dashboard in your WordPress settings. Here, you will need to enter your OneTrust account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the cookie banner settings. Customize the appearance and behavior of your cookie banner according to your site's requirements. Save your changes before moving on to the next step. Now, go to the integration settings within the OneTrust dashboard. Find the option for integrating with your WordPress site. Copy the integration code provided by OneTrust. Return to your WordPress dashboard and go to the Appearance section. Then, select Theme Editor from the drop-down menu. Locate the header.php file in your themes files. Carefully paste the OneTrust integration code right before the closing /head tag. After pasting the code, click Update File to save your changes. Next, navigate back to the OneTrust dashboard. Test your cookie banner to ensure it is displaying correctly on your site. Make any necessary adjustments in the OneTrust settings if needed. Finally, clear your browser cache to see the changes take effect. Your OneTrust cookie banner is now successfully connected to your WordPress site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.